I'm coming home, yeah. It's been a while since I seen those eyes, oh, that smile. Baby, you make it worthwhile, yeah. To know you're still there all this time, oh, baby, makes me feel like we was both doing time in the cell. Even though I was alone, that's not how it felt. But I tell you what, 2 more days and I'm free, baby. Shorty's tried to vision what you like, so I close my eyes and I can see it clear. I fall asleep 'cause I'm just too caught up in this dream. Baby, it's not real till you're next to me, yeah. 48 more hours, baby, just 2 more days, and girl, I'll be free, yeah. For the time girl, I'm while I was alone, shorty, you held me down. So as soon as I'm out,
yeah. Leather gripping, sipping, holding on my steering wheel. Riding dirty, trying to make it to take care of bills. Shorty tripping, texting me every hour to check-in. Thinking I'm deep, running the streets, wild with my weapon. She remembers all them pickups at the liquor store. I had her drop me off just so I could pick up raw. Had her doing shit that she never did before. Told her that I'm good, let me get this off. Cops pulled me over, said they seen the transaction, and that I grabbed a black bag, got my man's jacket. Then I found out that my man was ratting. That night, did 3 to 5 for trapping. Business as usual, this is crucial. To a nigga not broke, but some screws loose. She held it down the whole year, I got violated. 48 hours left, I'm coming home to my lady.